nothing yet. But baby, you just ain't seen nothing yet. Here's something that you're never gonna forget.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another video. I'm going to do a little bit of a product review here. Amazon find. So what we got here? We got battery adapters or converters. So you only have, let's say, AAA batteries, but you need AA's. Sounds like you're going to need some converters. And I'm going to be using the scanner as the demonstration radio. Stand by as I put these batteries in here and see how well, see how well they work. Stand by. These pop off pretty easy. Oh, doing it one-handed, a little hard, but just goes in the casing. I'm gonna put the other one in. Stand by. Alright, so this Uniden BCD 436 HP requires 3 AA batteries. And by the way, it does have a SD card chip, which has the latest and greatest firmware. Well, not firmware, but database. And I'm just going to pop these puppies in there and see how she works. So far, so good. Put the cover back on. Now, it's much lighter, I gotta say. Well, power's on, so that's a good sign. Just stand by when I put the light on. Alright, we're back. And it's doing the database. Just going to say no. I don't care about the clock right now. I just want to get in and listen so I get my scanner fix, if you know what I mean. Turning off the let's see here. See if I can get anybody. Sounds pretty quiet right now.
Mark saying we need to activate for this battery set and needs you guys to come jump this vehicle.
It's pretty quiet out there, surprisingly.
Alkaline Drive. You had a caller. She's saying that someone's stealing her vehicle. Town 720. Read the notes for further. What do you think? 51 hours. Alpha 1, back payment. 1523 6th Avenue, West Bradenton. 0 totals. Respond on TAC 4.
Of course, I have a protective case for my scanner as well. Just pop that puppy in there. Yeah, so I'll put in the comment section below.
Alpha 7. Vehicle crash. 68th East and 53rd Avenue, East Bradenton. Respond on TAC 6.
This is going to be good.
Engine 661. Battalion 6. Ladder 339. Vehicle crash. 60th Street East and 53rd Avenue, East Bradenton. Respond on TAC 6.
So when they go on TAC 6, you hear it when they switch over.
3.
There we go, Tactical 6.
Take to the DeSoto Towers.
Of course, I probably should have paused it, but just having it scan right now.
1556.
Here we go. Let me pause it. There. Ah. Dang it. There we go.
Battalion 6 en route 1554.
UCC engine 661 is responding 60th and 53rd for motor vehicle crash.
1554. En route 1554.
Occupants are out of the vehicle to south of Sierra 70 Command. We're going to have one lane of eastbound Sierra 70 shutdown.
Copy 661, 1558.
So I'm going to end up putting in the comment section, I'm going to put in a link to where you can find these converters.
We're going to have one for evaluation with 96 cancel at his discretion.
Copy. Battalion 6 Flare 339. Copy direct.
Copy direct. County 6 copies of available.
Copy 1600. Alpha 15. Fall 7376 Stone River Road, Bradenton. Respond on TAC 6. I just copied that. Yes, sir, I did.
All right, great. We'll use this. I got to be on an interview real quick. I'll talk to you later. Thanks.
I have resolution 1601 hours. Alpha 16. Thank you.
Sometimes there's simulcast issues.
231 Alpha, copy an abandoned call. Nothing heard, 3510, 22nd Avenue West.
Copy 1194.
42 Charlie, copy. 10-4, thank you.